welcome back to my channel for the love of decor and more. My name is Robin, and on today's video I am in my daughter's room. As you can see, lots of toys, lots of pink. I am going in and decorating her room and also bringing in some new pieces to get her space all nice and organized, to make it pretty much easier for her to put away her toys and tidy up when she's done playing, and also make it easier for me. You know, when I come in and I want to clean up, I want to have a spot for everything. That just seems to make cleaning up so much more easier. So like I said, I'm going to bring in a few more pieces, decorate with a few new items, and just give her room a special feel because she is special to me. So let's get right into the video. Again, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share it, and enjoy. So this is a organization system from Ikea called the Trofast organization system, and basically I'll be using it to put some of her toys and stuffed animals and dolls and that kind of thing organized inside. So I've pulled out everything and just reading over the directions to see how to go about putting this thing together. You know, Ikea's furniture can be pretty straightforward, but just lots of pieces, right? So I had to kind of pull everything out, take a look, and read a little bit to see how I will be putting this thing together and see how quickly I could get it done. So it actually didn't end up taking too long. I think it might have taken me about an hour. And my daughter did help me a little bit through the process, and she was very encouraging throughout, saying, "Mom, you can do it. I believe in you." She's just so stinking cute. So she helped me put some of the little wooden pegs in and things like that. She pushed in the drawers at the end, so she was pretty helpful. So this organization system is super popular right now, and they do have a few different styles of it as far as how many little cubbies that can fit within the cabinet. So it does come in a few different colors, and I, as you saw, went with the pink and white. So I'm going to go ahead and start putting this together and see how far I can get. Almost done. I am just putting on the side panel here, and there are a few more minor pieces that I do need to attach, but it came along pretty well. Okay, so now we are on step 10. Oh, so we did step 10. So now we're on step 11. So here I'm just adding the tracks for the drawers to be put in on, and also adding these last bit of screws around the sides and wrapped it up. So now I'm getting ready to put some Ikea floating shelves on the wall. So I have my masonry attachment for my drill to drill those holes for my anchors to put through the drywall. I love these IKEA floating shelves. They are called lac floating shelves. So I do have a few white ones. I'm just going to put up one on this wall so that I can put her TV on. It's a really light little flat screen TV, so I thought it would be perfect as far as weight goes. I do have this little mark there on the wall that I do need to patch up at a later date. That is from this really, really strong two-sided tape I got from Amazon. I've used it in a few of my videos, and I'll put it in the description box. It is really, really strong double-sided clear tape. Comes in handy in so many instances, but I have learned a lesson that I need to use a blow dryer to get it off the wall and not pretty much yank it off. I yanked off a piece of paint and drywall there, as you can see, so I'll patch that up later. So this is the piece that connects the shelf to the wall. I'm doing my measurements and making sure everything is leveled, and you just saw me put in the screws and the anchors, the drywall anchors. So this was really easy, and I thought that these were going to be complicated to hang, but I have a few more that I'm going to hang in a few more other spaces throughout the house, so I can't wait because they are so convenient. And a lesson I did learn, I didn't realize that 2 more screws went on the top part of that shelf to keep it in place. It was sliding, but then after further review of the actual shelf, I saw that there were 2 holes at the top of the shelf that you drill into that metal base to keep it all sturdy. So just make a note for yourself if you decide to hang those in the future. So I am just moving her little dresser over to the opposite wall. It was on the wall where you first walk in, where I put the Trofast organizer, so just moving that over. I'm using this piece of tape so I could draw my holes to hang up this cute little coat rack for her backpack and her coat when she comes in for school, because I did not have any blue painter's tape, and that's what I usually use. Draw my holes on the tape, put the tape on the wall, and then drill my holes accordingly. But I did not have any tape, so I got creative. I used a piece of paper, and this way I can make sure that my holes for my nails will be exactly where I need them to be to hang this coat rack. So this is a really cute little coat rack I got from Home Goods a while back, and it was on clearance, and it was gold, so I spray painted it silver. So that came in handy. I've had it at I think over a year now, so I was so happy to put it to use. So now I am making my holes on the wall for this cute little piggy painting that my mom bought for my daughter over a year ago. So it was in her room prior, but it didn't have a official spot. So isn't it cute, little cute pig in boots? So I thought that would be the perfect spot for that. It has the pink and the yellows in it. That little dresser I did get from Wayfair, and I bought that when I was getting my daughter's nursery all together, so I was still pregnant. She's 5 now, so it's been about 5 years, and I still absolutely love it. It's not much space because it's only 3 drawers, but hey. This cute little heart I did get from 5 and Below, and I think I'm going to pick up another one if I see it there, just because that wall is so big, but love, love, love it. It is battery operated, and I knew that my daughter was going to love this little perk in her room. So when I showed it to her, she was super excited. So really, really love that. And now I am taking down the white shears that were on the window, and I purchased these cute little shears from Amazon. They are like a semi-shear, cute little pom pom yellow curtains, and they have the little pom poms on the outer parameter as well as the inside of each panel. So stinking cute, perfect for a little girl's room, and they came in so many different colors. So I will put the link to these in the description box as well. And they do come longer, but I wanted to switch it up and go for some shorter curtains this time for this room. This cute little heart, I'm just showing you the box so that you can recognize it when you pick it up from 5 and Below. Here is another 5 and Below find, which is a cute little acrylic wall shelf, and I am nailing this on the wall so that I could display a few of her books. And I'm thinking that each evening or maybe at the beginning of the week, we can place a few books up on the wall there on that cute little shelf for books that we're going to read at bedtime. So those cute little hearts I just showed are from Amazon as well, and I will be putting them throughout the room coming up here. And now I'm gonna make up the bed in this cute little comforter set. It's white with very faint yellow flowers on it. I did pick up from over at Home Goods. It is a queen comforter, and it is a set. Came with white sheets and shams as well as standard pillowcases, and it is a Kate Spade brand, and again it came from Home Goods. So again, bringing in that soft yellow along with the pinks, whites, and the gray for her headboard, and a few other little elements throughout. I did place some of these Euro pillows at the back, as you can see there, but I ended up taking them off. I didn't like the way it hid her little rhinestones on her headboard, and they just seemed to be a little too big. So I put them on the bed, but ended up taking them out at the end. And I bought this set of cute little pillow covers from Amazon as well. I will put the link in the description box for these. So cute, and had the colors that I am going with, that yellow and pink color, and it's like a linen feel. These pillowcases, they feel like linen, very, very nice quality, and it came with 4 in a pack. And I am just using some Ikea 20 by 20 pillow inserts. Look at those, so super cute. And the pillow cases are 18 by 18. So really love these pillows and how it made a pop on the bed, just to kind of brighten it up a little bit. So I really love those. So I am just placing these cute little sunflowers on this stand, bring in some more yellow, hanging her little purse and backpack up on her new little hooks there, so that when she gets ready to go to school, everything is there and ready to go. So here are a few books. As I mentioned, just placing a few options there so that when it's time for us to read at night, we'll have some options. So I placed all of her hair bows on this cute little wall art here, and there's a few little fringe details hanging, as you can see there, and that's where I'm clipping her bows on so that I can see what colors she has, and so they don't get messed up, you know, by being buried in a bin or something. So now I am placing all of these cute little adhesive hearts all over her room to bring in more color. These are so cute. They come in different sizes. It came with 10 sheets of colored hearts, and they will not pull the paint off of the wall. The adhesive is easy to peel away from the wall if you want to take them off in the future. I did take off a few and re-stick them, and they came off so easily. So I really loved that. And they just brought in an addition to the room that I needed. This is her room before. I was using it as my office, so I switched rooms. I have her old bedroom, which was her nursery, as my office now. So this was my space prior, so I switched rooms, and this is the bigger room, so it gives her a lot more space. to have company and toys and all of that. And here's the final look.